Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello Mix, welcome to the stream. And I saw Yuri also enter the stream. Hello, welcome to the stream. How are you guys? And Mix, thank you for like a live. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. How's everyone's afternoon? Has everyone eaten their lunch now? Led, hello Mix. How are you? Maayos ang ano ko ngayon. Dish, hello. Good afternoon. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Uy, shit! Wala naman akong pera. So, hi. Whoa, what is this miracle? May ano kasi, may kalaro sa Valorant. Kaya ako napastream ngayon. So, yeah. Ay, pero namomroblema pa ako ngayon. Damn good luck ante ko. No worries. I think it's just going to be the two of us naman, ano. Wait nga lang. DM ko nga siya sa ano. Ah, invite. Ay, actually kakagising ko lang. Nagising ako around 2:15, I think. Nagsimula na yung alarm ko around 2 PM. Tapos ano, um, what do you call that? Medyo midlip ako ng onte, tapos nagising ako around 15 minutes later since may alarm ulit ako nun. Inisip kong bumalik sa tulog ulit pero sabi ko never mind na. Since ang sabi ko sa kalaro ko is 2 or 3 o'clock ako maglalaro. Kasi ang uwi ko kanina is around 7:40. Since kahit kakasubala ko pa lang ng nesting, kakasubala ko pa lang mag-calls, nag-OT na kaagad ako ng 1 hour 30 minutes. So, bale ang out ko na sa work is 6:30. Granted, yung 30 minutes is like, just finishing up yung last calls. Tapos, after that, mga ano na, tamang tsismisan-tsismisan na lang sa sa floor. So, yun. Hello, Melzy Shop. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Ah, grabe ba? Ox lang yan. Bayad naman eh. Literal lang yun. Tinanong ko talaga eh. Tanong ko kay Titi, OT mo ba ako ngayon? Tapos sabi niya, gusto mo ba? Sabi ko, gusto mo ba? Ipapaplot ko yun. Sabi ko, bayad ba yun? Siyempre, ako na mukhang pera. Oo. Kaya yan, may OT ako ng, up till 6:30. Wait nga lang. Goods naman pala. Yes. I can't exactly say kung how much yung since sana tama yung computation ko. Pero if not, edi hindi. Wait lang. Okay lang yan. Importante ba yun? If my calculation is correct, bayad, madagdagan sa ko is around 100 plus per not per hour actually. Yung for the 1 hour and 30 minutes, around 100 plus ang madadagdag sa akin. Per day, ayun. Hello, Kobe Plays Ownership. Welcome. Also, problema ako right now kasi tangin na kanina ako manghihiram po, text. Sila ba makakapalala ko? Eh. Andra lang naman since he's level 24 or 25. Hello, Leafy Water Stream ako. Welcome to the stream. May sinanda ako kapon so hindi ko pa sure kung bagay yung roses ba. Oh, wait. I think nasin ko yun pero nawala sa isip kong replyan. Yeah, kapon nga. Wait lang. Oh. Na para bang ano, kinukuha na ako ng mga demonyo. Hello, Bella. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How have you been? I hope you're doing good. Wait lang. Yeah. And there you go. Okay lang ba? Yes, of course. It's okay. It's okay. Hello, cousin. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. No, wait lang. May nire-replyan ako. Um, wait lang. Hello? Wait. Hello? Sure. Go lang, take your time. Um, wait. Server niya. Saan dito? Hi, Mama. Hello, Samu. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Sorry kulit ko. Ox lang, ox lang. Wait lang. Hello?
There you go. Thank you
Hi,
so much for the gifts.
Callie.
Thank you for the heart me. Thank you so much for the love you so much, and for the you're awesome as well. And the wink wink. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you,
Wait.
thank you. Hello Zed.
Hello, hello, hello.
I hope you didn't heard that.
I did hear it.
Nor,
It's okay. No
nor.
worries. Wait
By the way,
lang.
welcome, welcome.
Wait. Properties. How do I flip this? Kasi ayoko makita yung ano ko. Sarili kong model dito. You know what? Never mind. Napahirapan ako ng sarili kong ano. Hello, Lunaritex. Welcome to the stream. Welcome.
Oh,
Nag-blend yung
Lunartix is
parang
from my
crown mo
stream
sa...
as well.
Oh, hello, hello. So pwede... also, nagtatanong yung ano, isang anak ko if he can join daw.
Oh, go, go,
Ayun.
go lang. Let me add your Fugi in my stream.
Sure. Hindi ako sanay na ano,
I
na... Ah, wait. I'll
go
off...
lang.
Sorry. Off... Wait.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. I'll mute my mic then pala sa Discord.
Hello, Samu. Wait. Kailangan pala niya ako marinig. Wait lang. I guess push to talk na lang ako.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to enable push to talk then.
Nagda-double narinig ko yung boses ko sa ano mo, sa background mo. Ayun, nag-echo.
Background ko?
Si Samo, narinig ko yung background ko sa kanya eh.
Si Isamu. Hello, Isamu.
Hello, Screen Kazam. Ako
Nak
Rishi. Sorry, I forgot. I had it automatic. It's okay. It's okay,
tama
nak.
ba
It's
party
okay.
chat lang tayo? Party?
Yezu.
Okay. Let me open my mic.
Kazue! Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? Sorry, may nakita ako ano, chat sa GC ko sa dali. Rage fuck incident. Wait, ako sa
Hello, hello. Hello, Isamu.
wait. I-mute na naman kita para hindi na nagdoble sa akin. Yahoo! How have you been? It's been a while.
Hello, hello, Isamu. Wow, it's our second time to play together. Let's go.
Ay, we?
Yeah, nakalaro ko siya with Gurren, I think. With Gurren? Tama ba,
Oh, okay.
Isamu? Did we play
Next, thank you for
together with
sharing live. Thank you so
Gurren
much.
ba?
Very much
Or
appreciated.
si... Kasama ba natin si April nun, Isamu? At saka si Kuya Sujime. Tama ba?
I wanted to
Yes, yes.
stream
Who's
for
the
a very
newbie?
long time but was busy with comms. It's no problem. It's no problem. Ano, I don't think you will know it already, pero ano, isa na akong alipin sa salapi. Kaya minsan na lang ako nakakapag-stream ngayon. Wait. I'll hope for a miracle muna sandali. Wait lang. Asan yung app na yun? I started to play unrated alone pero last mata ko. Kahit ako si Mama online. Hello, Inumaki. Welcome to the stream ako. Welcome to the stream. Ba't kayo mag-biometrics nito? Putex.
Okay lang ba? Hindi ako mag-push to talk sa party chat.
Sure, no problem.
Ang layo na. Ang layo
Ka,
na letter use sa sa push to talk.
nakamute ka naman sa akin sana in-game para hindi magdoble.
Okay, okay. Or you can just mute me in Discord tapos in-game chat tayo for the sake of Fugi.
For the sake of, ano na lang, Fugi. I mean, I don't mind naman na on Discord tayo ano.
Okay,
Kasi,
okay.
kasi to be honest, kakalimutan ko nakaka-push to talk ako, kaya ano. Kaya usually naka-automatic din ako. Automatic
Okay, okay.
one lang din.
Sage best healer?
Ayan.
I mean,
What
sure.
about me? Ito na nga. Kaya nga nag-automatic din ako para rinig mo ako.
Yeah, Sage is the best healer, I think. But Mix is also a good healer for me. I like your avatar, Zed. So
Thank
cute.
you so much, Chi. Jet best healer. Jet revive me.
Jet, revive me. Use your ultimate. Revive me.
Ay, gusto mo ba makita yung ano? Yung other model ko. Yung
Sure.
second model. Sana gumana. Visit. Ay. Also, you can, we can queue na if you want.
Ay, wait lang. Inayos ko lang yung studio.
Sige.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Sige lang, sige. Ayan yung second,
Wait lang, isama. Inayos ko lang yung studio ko.
Ayan yung ko, yung second model ko.
Ooh, that's so cute.
Which is a fan art of mine. Pero yung original ko is yung ito. I'm a patient person. Wait lang. Nasaan yun?
There you go. Okay, we can queue. Gusto niyo
Okay.
Swift Play? Unrated?
Onra na. Wala nang warm up.
Sige, sige.
Dex na
Wow.
ba? Dex patch na yung bagong map. Hindi ko pa nakikita actually. Oh, naku po. Pwede bagong adjustment na naman.
Wait, ba't parang dumodoble ka?
Hmm?
Dumodoble ka?
It should then. Kasi, i-mute mo ako sa sa Valorant. Maano mo doon siya sa baba. Yung sa voice settings. Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello, Kumpapoy. Welcome ako. Welcome to the stream.
Ay, wait. Nakalimutan ko palitan. Unrated, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the carry.
I can't hear Kali pag nagko-comms siya.
Don't worry, I'm going to push the ano gusto mo? Wait lang, mag-automatic na lang ako. Ang layo kasi ng U.
Match found.
Ah, putiks.
Ayun lang. I hate this map.
Magmi-mix ka ba?
Yes.
Because I
Gusto
could...
mo mag-mix?
No, it's either I go Viper or KO. Ah, sige, ikaw lang na mag-ano. Mag-ini na lang ako. Ini-mini mo. Charot. I know how to smoke. Guys, oh wait. Kailan ka pa ba nagkaroon ng Viper? Parang ngayon ko lang napansin na... I think this is the first time I've seen you play Viper. Ah, Valo ko. Ay, okay. Sabi ko nga.
Ah, Jang, welcome to the stream. Miss playing Valo? Come on, join us, Jang. Come join. Wanna join us? I'm playing with Zed. Sana all. Asa work, hihi. Ayaw nga pala. Good luck at your work. Good luck. I remember you said you have like a presentation. Good luck, good luck. Bubuhatin ako ni Zed tsaka ni Isamu.
Maybe if we kick their asses hard enough, they'll stop
Good.
bothering us.
Yeah, in a few minutes. Ooh, good luck, good luck. Uy. Skin. Thank you sa skin. Wait, defenders. Okay. Batak yung mga yan. Omsim.
Sino nagsabi doon? Sino nagsabi
Go
doon?
siya. Si Jang.
La, di ko yo.
I forgot where to smoke here.
Okay, nasa akin yung ano. Nandito yung... Ang ina, smokes galore ang putex. Oh, ano, tatlo yung smoker nila.
Spike planted.
Eh?
Yeah. Ah, putang ina mo. 90 brimstone. Sorry. Also, ano, palamura ako in Valorant ah.
It's okay. Pati ako na ano dito eh.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Kaya mo yan, baby. Ay, yun. Dada lang doon sa ano.
Wala na to.
I'm sorry, but this is shit.
It's okay.
Shit.
Anti-anti.
Sorry, baba ko dun. I didn't notice yung ano, yung floor.
I hate to say it.
Sorry, I didn't see the floor.
Probably best to play as a team. So, what's the plan?
Sorry, may nire-replay kasi ako habang nag-ano. Miyane.
Ang latong Z, sabi ni Jang.
Jang, sanay ka nang marinig ako magmura. Palagi tayo naglalaro ng Valorant eh.
Also, hello to Zedlin. Oh, hello, Matcha King. Ooh,
Oh.
my Matcha King. My Highness. Your Honor. I am your Matcha Cat. Meow. Kawi, hi. Thank you so much for the follow back, by the way, Matcha King. It's an honor.
Ah, ba't wala nag-B? There's, I scanned nothing here.
Laro tayo ulit sa Friday night.
Ah, planting B.
Spike planted.
Machaki, Makadushi, welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good.
Friday. Ali, hello Ravi. Hello. Good afternoon.
Last
Puta.
player standing.
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. That's good to hear, that's good to
Sound
hear. It's
better.
been a while. I hope everything's going well on your part.
How are you also, Auntie? Thank you. I did my best too. I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
Ay, dyan ba si Jiang Jiang?
I think so, yeah. Nandito pa si Jiang Jiang.
Thank you, thank you. It's been a while, yeah. I also think I haven't seen you stream for a while. Wait, Viper's name is Sabine. Yes. Her name is Sabine.
I like the new skin, sabi ni Jiang.
Ah, Shibal! Dami nila dito.
Shibal, yeah.
Tayo ng smoke galore to, visit.
Spike planted.
I got you, I got you!
Nagulat ako dun sa ano. Ah, gago. Nasa ano? Dito sa corner na to. Tangina, nakagulat yung teho na yun, visit.
No!
Jump
But I
scare.
saw your DM on DC, I'll send it later. Send siya na sa delay. Sabi
Ay,
niya,
no worries, no worries. Thank you, Jang. Thank you so much.
Player standing.
Naiimbiyan na ako sa kano. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying to save up for a motherboard and RAM. Oh, did your PC broke ba? What are you do?
what are you doing? Playing. I'm
Look
so
at-
sorry, everyone, if I don't.
Yeah, it
read
broke
the chat often.
Marvel Rivals tried my motherboard and RAM. It's okay, no worries, no worries. I understand naman.
Things up.
Sorry, may alarm.
Hello, Owe, welcome to the stream, welcome. Careful, A. A nga ata. Well, hopefully you can get the, you can get the, what you call that?
Spike planted.
The motherboard and RAM.
I'll try to flank.
Ah, dami nila! Ay, meron dito sa taas, meron dito. Thank you, happy streaming. Thank you, Mashaki, for, dropping by. I hope everything goes well on your part.
One enemy remaining.
Naka-ult yan, Careful, guys. Probably here.
Last player standing.
Kaya mo yan. Buwaba.
Wala na, hindi naabot eh.
It's always a no time.
Okay.
Okay lang yan, save your gun.
Ravi, thank you so much for the of roses. Thank you. Oh, 20 roses. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you.
Galing nila mga trip. Naiirit ako sa smokes nila, visit!
Thank you so much for the gift, Ravi. Thank you.
Doon ako naiirita eh. Someone go B, please. Thank you.
I keep on forgetting that I have to push to talk para marinig ni Samu yung ano ko.
One suppressed.
All
Planting?
ups sa last round.
Spike planted.
A.
Yeah, planted na. Ay! Putang ina, 32 yung ano, yung
Oh,
pangalan ng
sabi
harbor.
sa Brimstone.
Ala, naubos ng bala. Yuri, welcome to the stream of welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope
I
you're
don't know
doing
how
good.
he's an operator, Jang.
FF ba?
Kakalaro pa lang natin, oy.
Nakakita tayo yung smokes nila!
Do you wanna FF, Isamu?
Nag-FF ako.
Ay, napindot ko F6. Yawa. Sorry, napindot ko F6. No,
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Ah! He just colored! Help! Help me!
Saan?
Asa B. Planting.
Spike planted.
Ba't ako stinim mo?
Why not?
Ah, putang ina! Hmm!
Yawa.
Ah! Visit yung ano na yan? Aras ang hinayupak.
My ultimate is ready.
Sorry, nakikita mo yung isang side na ano. Nakikita lang pag nagpa-Valorant ako.
No, no, it's okay, it's okay.
Last player standing.
Tamo, kaya pa ba? Hindi na. Anti na.
Bawi next game, Isamu.
Trust each other. That's all.
Dat pala, nag-dodge na lang ako eh. Ayoko tong map na to eh.
Okay lang. It's okay, this is unrated.
Sorry, kahit unrated, natitilt pa rin ako.
Ako rin eh.
Madali ako matilt lalo na pag sa ano. Lalo na pag, ano,
I
Valorant.
don't wanna play so badly. Alisa, just a work. Jang.
Diyan laro tayo sa weekends. Ay, baka busy pala ako during the weekends. Pero, still, let's try. Careful, A. Ay! Tangina, nagulat ako sa jet. Wala ka palang jet yung kabila. I'm getting paranoid.
Spike planted.
Sa A?
Mm.
Hindi abot yung ult ko.
Enemy spotted A.
Cover me!
No! 65. Sak.
Lock in sight.
Tang ina.
Last player.
Putang ina mo. Tang ina yung lahat. Paano makaka-FF nakapag ano na tayo nung surrender kanina, visit?
Only brought in
Ah!
Ilang time yung timer, ano? Ilang oras yung timer ng ano?
Ng surrender? Bawat switch rounds. So, kung kunyari, isa sa defending, isa sa attacking.
Okay, so, sige, hintayin na lang natin.
Let's fly.
Okay lang, this is our first game. Warm up lang to.
Warm up pala, pero nag-iinit yung, nag-iinit na yung ulo. Careful, B. Mas okay pa sa akin pag nagbi-mid yung mga kalaban eh, hayop.
Hindi ko trip tong, ano?
Mag-heal yun. Planting. Ah! Ang ingay eh. All that hooting and hollering.
One enemy remaining.
Nasa loob to. Wag mo na anuhin!
Nice eh. Pero ako, barrel. Akin na lang barrel mo. Ano barrel mo? Phantom. Thank you sa Phantom. Nag-grocery ng barrel.
Okay lang yan, nag-defuse naman eh.
Nice eh.
Yawa-
Nakakarry ako ng barrel.
You want pink na ano, Phantom?
Next round.
Okay.
Pag namatay ako.
Ah,
Need a drop. Thank you.
no. Ba't pa palagi naiiwanan yung B?
Ayaw nila sa B.
Ayoko din dito sa B, pero no choice.
Wala tayong no choice.
Ayan na, hindi pala. Si ano pa, kayo samo pala yun nung smoke. Ah, sa'yo.
Akin yung
Okay.
smoke.
Is it? A? A. Ano, marat kasi yung mga hayop eh. Yung sino?
One enemy remaining.
Nasaan A? Nice! Bumabawi! Tiwala lang.
Uy, Jet! Ba't ka na sa ano?
Everything on the battlefield.
Nasyampuhan ko, nagpa-plan siya eh. Yan tuloy, natigil yung ano. Yung, hindi niya ano yung ano. Tangin na,
lang.
ako pa lang kapatay dun sa Jet natin, visit. Ba't kasi tumayo dun sa ano? Sa, tawag nun? Sa Molly ko. Hello, Rago, hello, Shim. Lolo ko na naman headset ko eh. Ayan, nag-smoke na naman sila dito.
Force suppressed.
Eh di smoke na din natin sila dito.
Ah, planting na kaagad? What? Ah, naka-wall pala.
Spike planted.
Ah! 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 35, 140 brimstone nasa, ano, cubby, tapos 35 jet. Ah, sage.
Last player standing.
No!
One
Nice.
enemy remaining.
NT na.
Ah, nice try, nice try.
NT, NT.
NT.
All this hooting and
My
hollering.
I got
husband
your
though.
backs.
Yes, my eyes are closed.
From the front.
Ah. Kali.
Request ka? Request? Oh,
No worries. Like ako na.
request?
No worries. I have money naman.
Request? Sam?
I have... You can save
I
them.
have money.
You can save naman this round if you want. Ayan. Hirita ako sa pagka-smoke nila.
Oh, ang ganda ng barrel. So,
Suppress it.
parang amoy down.
Yan din sabag nila dito sa skin na to, Downy.
Amoy down.
Spike planted.
Bilis naman.
Eh, paano ang daming smokes?
Smoke ka.
Ah, di ba nila alam bawal ang ano? Masama mag-smoke?
No! I wasted my skin. Ay, yung skin mo pala, sorry.
Flashy.
Nakapikit habang naglalaro.
Obstacle removed.
Hello, Miss Mando. Hello, Yun.
One enemy remaining.
Resist.
Go! Wag na! Go! Ah, Hoy! Ba't tinikinig din niya?
Andogan!
Anak, why?
Hello, my husband daw.
Last
Sabi pala ni
round
Ravi,
before the
ano?
switch.
Hello.
Ay, sabi ko nga. Hello, Ravi.
Downy gun pala baril ni Lini.
Yes, sir.
Rabad dabang, no? In?
Switching rounds na, di ba?
Yes, eh.
Okay.
Mag-o din ako.
Stay safe.
I
Don't
tried
the
to front
crowd.
din, kaso lang nahuli ako. Mali ko.
Deploy. Force suppressed.
B?
Yeah.
No! I could have gotten like 3 kills there. Mabaho kasi yung kalaban kaya counter dyan down. Tama!
Spike down B.
Flash.
Putang ina, hindi ko ba headshot?
One enemy remaining.
Nice one, isa mo. Nice!
Hello, Alice. Hiroshima.
Nice,
Welcome.
nice, nice.
9-3! 9-3! 9-3, curse! Bilis! Ah!
Epic na ba? Epic na?
Hindi! Mamaya! Mamaya!
6-7.
Lumalabas yung demonyo. Sorry, naglalabas ako ng galit sa mga calls ko kanina.
No, it's okay, it's okay. It's more fun.
Alam mo ba kung kailan kung kailan nagpatak yung 5 AM since nag-OT ako? Ang ina doon pumasok yung mga irate customers, hayop yung isa binumura ako. Na para bang kasalanan ko yun yung others na sa namin, system namin. Like, hello.
Ito talagang wala yun.
I don't care if I say this on stream. Mga Amerikano talaga. Vesperos, welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good.
Suppressed.
Ubusin natin smoke nila. Ah, Sage dito.
Honor.
Go get some.
Spike
60
down
mix
A.
sa... Dito, ayun.
Hey, nasan yun?
Kali! Kali!
Akin ni baril mo!
Last player standing.
Good afternoon, happy streaming that. Thank you, Vesperos. How have you been? It's been a while.
There,
I
I got you.
hope everything's going well on your part. Wait, I'm gonna repeat this song kasi why not?
Me to be, guys. Okay. Okay. Uy, Mama Nose. Thank you for the share. Thank you, thank you. Good afternoon.
But you wondered how I knew. Matag AC Omen. Who's making noise?
Sorry, sorry.
Sorry. Kala ko rando eh.
Hindi ko na...
One enemy remaining.
Go plant na sa ano yata yun.
Blocking sight.
Ah! Yun nga!
An?
Hello, Walid 100 Shima, welcome. Nice!
Nice.
It's supposed to
Happy
cry.
stream. Thank you, Mama Nose. Kahit hindi kami nyapi.
Anyone want a stinger? Di ako nagsistinger eh, sorry.
Stinger? What's that?
Gun.
Nandito na ako. Nandito na ang halimaw. Is that also
Someone.
streaming? Yeah, Jang.
Hello, Virulent
What is
Velvy.
streaming?
Wakurushima, welcome. Yes, Jang, himala. Nag-stream ako ng weekdays.
Di kayo usually stream ng ano? Weekday?
Simula nang nag-work ako, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-stream ng weekdays. Working eh.
Smoke's up.
Uy, live siguro rin.
Yawan, daming smoke.
Reloading.
103, nice. No info on Brim. Plant. On site, on site.
Spike down A.
Here's a heal.
Huwag kayo magkatalikodan.
Nasaan yung spike?
Basta, naka-jet. I heard a drop kanina.
Reloading.
Ay, sa taas.
Oh my god, that was bad.
Nice.
Nice eh. Thank you sa Manelu!
Actually, akin yun.
Ay, thank you so much. Ooh, nice skin.
Hello, Villian. Welcome to the stream. How are you? How's your afternoon? If you're doing good. Ah,
Need a drop. Thank you.
Spectre pala.
good afternoon, Mommy Zed. Hello, hello. Happy streaming, play well. Thank you, thank you. How have you been?
Gusto niya B this time? Or A?
Pwede naman. Wala, nandito na sila eh.
Jet yung... Kasi nandito na tayo. Ay. Mid to B?
Jang Jang, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Oh, not dyan. Wag dyan, wag dyan. Aares na naman yung hayop. Visit.
No!
Spike down mid.
Di ko man lang natamaan yun.
Ang ina.
Last player standing.
What the fuck?
Yun the pan again.
Suppressing. Two suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
Nice!
Mag-smoke.
Grenade out.
Flash mo.
Flashbang.
Putang ina mo. Puta
Oh,
regis.
no. Nice try. Nice try.
Thanks for sharing the live, Jang. Thank you. And thank you for the heart me and the go popular Jang and the Villian. And thank you for sharing the live as well, Villian. Thank you so much. Ah!
Then,
Ah,
can I have your skin? Downy skin.
sure.
Drop.
Thank you.
Lumalabas yung demon.
Sim!
Lumalabas yung demonyo.
Knife deployed.
Yeah, is it this Downy skin? Di ba April?
Wala pala sa akin yung ano. Ah!
I can smell the gun here.
Listen to this.
One enemy remaining.
Nandiyan, nak. Akin yan, skin! Akin yan! Ay, sige, sa'yo na lang.
Wala akong ambag. Wala akong ambag.
Ayun.
Watch my tech, everyone.
Sino gusto ng Vandal?
Sorry.
Sino gusto Vandal?
Or hurt you.
Pero walang skin nga lang. Wala, edi wag. Papabandal ako ng di oras ah.
I still have your gun.
Roll lang sa'yo na.
Don't worry. I'll keep them quiet.
Nak, dito ako mag smoke. Dito. Dito ako mag-wall. Ah, sige, mamaya na. Sige. Mamaya turo ko sa'yo yung ano. Yung spot niya.
Ooh.
Who's that?
APAP.
Ah! Hello, Epap! Ayo. Ba't kayo nag-make noise? Ah!
Yung Brim.
Ay! Sorry, Nak! Sorry! Nag-bounce back! Sorry!
One enemy.
Dito!
Nice eh, bumabawi. APAP, Zed.
Hello, Epap! Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you.
Hello, APAP. Oh, sino nawala?
Si Jet, puti.
Ayun lang. Pagod na siya.
Oh, I thought you weren't good oh. Ba't naka 10 kills ka?
Me?
Oh,
O nga, no?
7 assists yan. Ang assist net yung sa assist ko po na
Oo,
15.
assists. Ang galing.
Hindi ko napansin.
Suppressing.
Ay, bobo. My bad. Agay, so paano yan?
Spike down B.
Let me get it.
Tang ina, pinag-ulanan ng smoke hayop.
No! Yung skin.
Ay! Ayok! Ah! Dito, dito. Ay, putang ina mo! Hayop!
Valid crash out.
That could have been my ace. That could have been my ace.
Sayang. Skin?
Ang ingay ko. You guys need extra help, please.
Can I help?
Yuki, wakanurushi welcome. Ah,
Need a
Ah,
drop.
request ka?
Thank you.
kamsamnida. Ah, thank you. Kaya mo yan, Zed. Tangin na ano kaya, nakita mo nagka-rush out na nga ako dito. Ang lala. Mga kupal masyado.
One suppressed.
Mag-ult ako? Ah, never mind. Nasarap kaya.
Spike
Ay!
down A.
I can work with that.
Can I get a heal? Wait lang, mag-flash ako dito.
Flashbang.
Mag-ult ako. Careful.
Ah, putang ina mo.
Last player standing.
No! 78 sa next. No!
Kill confirmed.
Uy, nice!
Ah,
Hello!
Match point.
Catch your breath.
ang daming smoke.
Not that I need to, of course.
Bawal pa naman ako sa smoke. Diyos ko.
In?
Need a drop.
Request?
Thank you.
Thank you. Downy.
Kakasimula pa lang ng araw ko nasisira na. Paano pa kaya pag nag-call ako mamaya?
Kill all your
OT pa man din.
Hindi yung customer.
Kaya ka, eh? Oho. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yun. Mag-ult siya dyan. Dito. Wala na yung Brim. Tumakbo na. Ay.
Yung mix yun dito. No! 35 sa ano?
A.
spike retrieved.
One enemy remaining.
Spike planted. Cover going out.
Ah! Tumalan.
Fragment.
Tangina mga lahat ng mga molly nag-bounce off ang putix. Nice.
Nice! Babawi tayo! Babawi!
Delicates masyado. Hello nam mga Karushima ko.
I'll shut them down.
Kalma aiming lang. Hindi! Ayoko na kalma. Ayaw mo na sa Wardim kahit anong mangyari. Hello? Walang kakalma sa ganitong sitwasyon.
Thank you.
That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times. On the other side forevermore.
Go ahead. Listen to me.
Ay! Binudburan.
Wala pa nga eh. Tara, lipat tayo B.
Wait lang. Pwede naman. Ah, they're pushing na. Mer.
Ay, ano? A?
Ah, na lang.
Sige.
Target 86. Flash.
May nag-group ah.
Mhm.
Putex, 78, harbor. Yan, plant.
Ay, mali.
Player
My
standing.
God!
Dito,
Spike down.
Hindi ko nakita.
A.
Sorry. Nasa likod ko.
Thirty seconds left.
yun! Hello, Prince Orochi, welcome.
GG.
Ulan din. Wag sana umulan sa amin. Uy.
GG.
Hello, you, Orochi, welcome. Huwag lang magpapalo ulit kung walang binigay nila sa down payment.
It's okay, sige. It's our first game.
Tang ina, MVP na naman at what cost?
Ayaw mo nun? MVP ka?
Yun na nga, ang problema kasi pag naging MVP ako, ibig sabihin talo.
Uy, hindi naman.
Ano hindi? Tingnan mo, talong nga tayo.
I mean, ayoko na. Joke lang. Iba talaga pag MVP tayo, mama.
Kaya nga eh.
Sorry, pabigat ako.
Saka natin mo yung tatlong top frag nila, puro smoker. Tang ina. Mga rat kasi.
Hirap pala na tatlong smoker. Grabe.
Oo.
Okay, isa pa.
Sige lang.
Manifesting this game. Next game.
Match found.
Talaga guys, back to back ang Putex. Bukas ka na pala magpo-pull, no? Yes, so... Niisip ko mag-Viper ba ako? KO na lang. Mag-Viper ka na lang. Alam mo na ba ako paano mag-Viper dito?
Ako?
Hindi, si isa mo. Sige, turo ko sa'yo kung saan ka pwede maglagay ng wall.
Let's do this.
No, dalawang duelist.
Ay, saan ako makakuha ng 50 pesos visit? Ala, yung bag ko na sa kabila pala. Di ba cover city lang? Depends. I will hunt you down. This is private. Between you and I. Touch my body. Put it on the door. Wrestle me around. Ready some more.
Okay, let's win this. Let's win this.
I will work with
I
you.
touch my
I
body.
don't have to like it.
You'll work with me.
Bawal ma-repost?
Hindi ako nagwo-wall dyan sa Ace. Usually B ako nag-smoke.
Sorry, what do you mean, Marie? Hindi mo ma-repost yung stream ko.
Okay. Yes, Sue. Rendezvous, I will hunt
Yes?
you
Oh, baka shadow
down.
band ako.
Ay, sorry. Feel ko ako yung reason.
No, wala akong nakita ang
No,
parang restriction.
kasi usually ganun, shadow, pag ganyan minsan eh.
Mm,
Map deployed.
Dito.
A?
Yeah.
Okay.
B. This is B. Mid.
Okay, no.
Putex. 55 Phoenix, dito.
55 Sky.
Santi, Makudershim, how are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Afternoon. I hope you're doing good.
Patay na pala tayong tatlo.
Last player standing.
Ayun, nag-payload.
Pero may
They're
force
just
naman.
the pain. Like this.
Radiant target acquired.
Thank you for the shares. Thank you.
Sorry, friend.
Okay, locked in, locked in.
Bakit tapos naghahanap ako ng pwede ko mapag-ungutangan ng 100 shoot, ah.
Heads down, guns up, get deadly.
Pwede ka na umutang sa akin.
Wait. Pwede ba? Ay! Tayan na. Tuloy ako na yan. Ah! Oh! Ay! Ahi! Ahi! Mama! Mama, help me!
Oh, let me help. Let me heal you. Ingat.
Mag-ingat ka din. Ayun na, yun.
Tatlo sa mid. Oh my goodness.
Charges.
Tatlo sa mid.
No!
Down mid.
Mama! Mama, ipapa!
Flash.
Ay! Chamber, ba't ka naman i-chew?
Player standing.
Ayoko na, hindi na ako natutuwa.
Spike planted.
Empty. Hey Pax, thank you so much for the share. Thank you.
They keep trying to silence us.
Thank you,
Keep talking.
Pookie.
Uh,
Sabi ko kung ayaw mo na after this one. We can switch games if you want, Zed.
ano nga ba pwede? Anong oras na
So,
ba?
fast mo.
Wala akong fast mo eh.
Ayun lang. What games do you have again? Wait lang, check ko na lang mamaya yung library mo sa Steam.
Sige.
Sinend mo sa akin, di ba?
Wala, 4:34 na pala, visit.
Ay, you have to leave na, no? By 5.
Careful A or mid. Mid.
Flashbang.
Oh,
Yup.
shit. Bagal ng reaction time ko.
Obstacle removed.
Naka-off yung jet eh. Tangina, mag-off
Spike
bigla.
planted.
Ah, putang ina mo. Nakuha pa yung off. At pala tinapon ko na lang sa malayong lugar.
Hirap gamitin yung off para sa akin.
Ba't pa kasi ako nag-off? Na parang kala mo kaya ako mag-off. Visit.
Cutting their vision. One enemy remaining.
Naka-off lang yan. Aha, yun lang. Pinistol siya.
Na pistol.
I will fulfill my purpose.
Natirase. Oh.
Naantok na siya.
5 hours ang tulog ko eh. Sorry.
Same.
Kaya try ko din sayangin yung sarili ko na na hindi sobrang kompleto yung tulog ko. Which is ang weird sabihin pero yeah.
Same lang din sa akin.
Kasi gusto ko pa rin maging active sa streaming.
Cutting their vision.
Dito pa rin. Putang ina. Ah, putang ina, sayang. Apat sila sa mid. Tagal-tagal lang ata yung mga kamay. Your choice. It's your fan art naman eh. Hello, Puppeteer. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. Nice!
Sabi, ang hirap naman nito. Tatlo sila. Ba, defender tayo?
Yes.
Spike planted.
Ano? Wag kang papasa ng ganun. Baka nakopya na. Di pala. Baki? Ano? Nice.
One enemy
Nice.
remaining.
No charges.
Nasa B. Nasa A.
Eh?
Oh, takbo na. Never mind.
Nor.
Hello, little Miss Delta. Mother siya welcome.
Sayang, may ace. It's okay, I got 4 kills.
Nice.
Thank you so much for the gifts, Aldenaritex. Thank you. Is it okay if I call you Luna instead? Thank you so much, Luna. Thank you.
Hello,
you.
peculiar
Thank
walls.
you.
Mother
Thank
siya
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Someone go B. Someone go BB.
Oh, nandiyan si Pax. Hello, Pax.
Yes, thank you for sharing the life packs. Thank you. The puppeteer, thank you for like a live ticket. Thank you. And
Shutting them down.
mid or B? Nagba-back to back yung ayaw kong mga
Yes,
maps.
I'm still the
Visit.
same Luna. Okay.
You want to play? Let's play.
Ano ba, Chamber? Ayoko makipaglaro sa'yo unless na lang kung nasa kama.
Enemy spotted.
What the fuck?
Spike
Thank you for sharing the live packs and thank you for like a love the live puppeteer.
last player standing.
No.
Sa likod. Na backshot. Na Phoenix.
Watch my tech, everyone. If I throw it left and you go right, I can't heal you.
Mamaya magtatanong sa akin yung mga kasamaan ko sa, sa work. Ba't ang bad mood mo ngayon? Valorant.
That's a Valorant.
Halatang tilted na ako. About frag na ako eh. Ibig sabihin ba may chance?
Sana pala hindi na tayo naglaro ng Valorant. Dapat repo na lang, no?
Uy, wag ka na. Na-rage bait din ako dun.
Lahat lang narinig.
Sim! Sim!
Oh, hello guys. Welcome to the stream.
Spike down mid.
Mama!
I've got your trail.
Mama, ipapa!
Aray ko, fake ko rin sa...
Hay, nakapatay din. 87 chamber, 34 sky.
Wanna join us, guys? Are you free?
Doon na yung chamber. Lalabas yan. Nice!
Nice.
Sky, para... Basta ano.
Wanna join us, guys?
30 seconds left.
Yung dalawang dalawang
I can
random.
hop on if you need one. Oh, feel free to join.
Nakita mo yung KDA natin, dalawa.
Oh wow, I'm not expecting I'm the top frag. Sure, Luna. Join us if you want.
10 seconds
Gusto
left.
ko lol, pero di kaya.
Nice!
Nice.
Panalo na din.
Can only be one hero.
Mag-ayun na talaga. Sim.
The right rhythm changes everything.
Bakit di kaya? Are you busy right now?
I think sucks lang yung pagka-end ng game. When you look, needed a man, someone to lean on, and I understand. It's only natural, but why did it have to be? Careful mid, careful A. Back tuloy. Ano, Kali, careful dyan.
Mhm. I don't see anyone in A.
Probably, never mind.
Nasa B sila.
Still stay on A. Baka kasi planting binata.
Spike
Yeah, planting B na.
Okay, good. On the way. No! Yeah, inayos ko streaming stuff ko while on duty. Okay.
Last player standing.
Naubusan akong bala!
Nag-reload pa. Nag-reload na.
New fight, new tactics, keep it fresh, yeah?
Reset!
High cortisol.
Sim, higher color to soul gameplay. But why did it have to be me? Ba't kasi binoost yung account ko? Naiirita talaga ako. Sabi ko bronze lang, biglang ginawang silver.
Two suppressed.
B?
Yeah, there's some in B.
Ay, bakit ng smoke?
Enemy spotted. Mid.
Ay, awa. Hindi ko na tinahan. Oh.
What the fuck? Planting dito.
Spike planted.
Putang ina mo na double ano ako dun. Naka-off yung ano, chamber. Ay, hindi pala. Rando pala to. Hello, Machi. Welcome. Welcome. Nasabi ko na ba yun? I feel like, oo.
Y'all better keep up.
Hello, Mark. Welcome.
Damn, I'm broke as hell. Like, oh, what's
Deployed. Two suppressed.
Ang hilig nila sa B.
Dalawa yun lang yung nasa B. Dalawa lang na ano ko. Oh, tatlo. Mhm.
Ingat-ingat ah.
Enemy remaining. Spike down.
Okay, nice.
Nice eh.
Hello, best friends. Welcome back.
Don't get shot. Human brains are hard.
Hindi ko nakuha yung baril, Nor.
It's okay.
Sayang, Vandal pa naman yun.
Hello,
Yeah,
Andres.
inayos ko
Welcome to
streaming
stream.
stuff ko. Ano, nabasa ko na pala.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Now. Whoa, whoa.
What if kumanta na lang tayo, no? Yun na lang yung ambag natin.
Kakanta na sa ano. Tapos ang pangit pa
Oo.
kumanta. Diyos ko.
Oh, Diyos ko, sorry na lang. Pangit.
Ah! Mas talo na ako.
Spike down mid.
Nice. No.
Cooling down. Flashbang.
Can I get a heal?
Okay, feeling for you.
Thank you.
Magsusmoke ako.
Na,
Oh, nice. Bumabawi, bumabawi.
Buy stuff, ching, loose.
okay, kanina to.
Yeah?
Kanina na ako off.
Kunin na yan.
Ayoko mag-off. No worries, no worries. You can save pa naman.
Let's get this done.
Proud ako sa sarili ko sa pag flashes ko nun.
Play, let's
Kaya naman sa paglalaro, ayoko maglaro. Oh, dalawa na naman dito.
Mas smoke mid para
Wala, hinanahan ko yung music ko, visit. Okay, let's walk dito.
cancel. My ult's ready.
Putang ina.
I've got your trail.
Okay na yan! Okay na yan!
Spike planted.
that.
Hindi, yung yung Phoenix kasi sila yung yung ni Chamber, sira na nga. Napatay na yun.
Ah, okay.
Hi Jane, welcome to your stream. Welcome, how are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good.
Ben mo lang skin.
Last round.
In the half.
Don't make it harder on yourself.
Okay na, bumabawi tayo. Bumabawi. What if mag-Odin?
All Odin, charot.
What if? Tapos hindi makatama, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Lagi sila nagme-mid, no?
True. Care mid na lang.
Shutting them down. One suppressed. No one walks away. Bad guy down.
Lucky shot.
Oh no! Hindi ko
Asan?
nakita siya. Basta mid.
Spike planted.
Nice one.
Saan ba? Hindi ko marinig yung dito pa. Puta, 117.
One enemy.
Hello, Lipsis on regime. Last scene here. Nice. Ay, nasa likod mo.
Oh,
Hello, Nightmare Water Shima. Welcome. Okay, it's okay.
NT.
Switching sides.
Activating kill mode. That's a joke. Kill mode is default.
We make bawi. Mapaturo. Okay. Pag dito sa B, usual kong smoke is diretso. Pagkapasok mo, diretso dito. Pagkatapos ng ng pagbaba ng wall, diretso ko dyan. Diretso lang dyan. Para kung bagay ko cover mo tong yan.
Whatever it takes.
Pero mo, ano, slightly to the left yan. Aha, yan tuloy. Ah!
No.
Wala pala yung nag-heal. Oh, putang ina, 51. Hello, cute and teacher. So, Shimoko from...
Last player standing.
They're super dead. Flash!
Oh.
Let's make a plan, then execute.
Nice!
Okay ka lang.
Di ko alam kung tamang decision ba nag-good Valorant ako ngayon.
Ako rin eh.
Ba't pala next week na lang pala?
Siguro ako lang to, no? Malas ko to.
Okay lang yan, ano, training. Training.
Knife deployed.
Ay,
One suppressed.
Feeling sight.
Got him. Plant the spike.
Ba't ako?
parang sa'yo talaga yan.
Ay, sorry baby, di ko na na-trade. Ay, sorry.
Ito sila.
Nasanay ako sa victim nung, ano,
Nice.
baby kasi tawag ko sa kanya.
Saan may bebe? Ay.
Hindi, no, I don't have a baby. Baby lang tawagan namin.
Ah.
Pero besties
Meron
kami.
din akong katawagan din, babo
One
tawag ko sa
enemy
kanya.
remaining.
Sasabihin ko sana ano, ba't ayaw nila i-defuse yung spike? Tataking nga pala tayo. Hindi!
Defuse!
Wait, ha?
Atake tayo, atake tayo.
Yun, kaya nga, bigla ako nag-panic dahil sabi ni ano. Ay, sabi, ba't nagsasabi?
Ako rin defender tayo.
Kaya sabi ko, ba't di sila nagde-defuse? Ayaw nga pala, atake nga pala tayo. Tapos bigla,
Ng Valorant. Epekto ng Valorant.
tapos bigla ako nag-panic kasi ano, ba't sabi ni, ni Isamu defuse? Sabi ko, wait, attacking ba, defending nga ba talaga tayo? I doubted myself.
Don't worry, I'll keep them quiet. Suppressing.
Ay, boba. Layo.
Flash.
Putang nasa loob ng smoke nag-flash. What the fuck?
I've got your trail.
Pati di siya nagpakita sa akin yung ano.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Nice eh.
Galing city? No, not city. Galing spawn natin. Ata. Plant. Ano yung spike? Di pala sa atin. Don't push. Don't push. Nice.
Nice eh. Bumabawi tayo. Let's score.
If anyone needs an energy boost out there, I got you.
Need a drop. Thank you.
감사합니다 나.
감사합니다.
Ay, sasend ko pa pala yung ano, no? Yung QR sa'yo.
I got you, bro.
Although hindi nagko-QR yung Gcash ko. Go time lang.
Shutting them down. One suppressed.
Di ba pala ako nakain? Shit.
Ah, nasa likod.
Where's the spike?
Spike down mid.
Ah, pata sa mid.
Nasa mid.
Ako din masasamid. Charot.
One enemy
Ay.
remaining.
Yung clove nasa mid, I believe.
Most likely, oh. Go plant na. Saving yan.
Makabawi tayo, let's go! Nice.
Don't start resting. Still work to do.
Pero ako ng down skin. Dead.
Okay.
Request?
Need a drop.
Thank you.
No problemo.
Ato, Z buff. Down
Skin buff, skin buff.
Skin buff.
Puro B na ba? Pwede. Ah, naglalako ulit yung ano ko.
Resonating.
Joke's over. It's away. Suppress it. One suppressed.
Ah, what the fuck?
I have the spike.
Spike down B.
No! Hindi ko
Ah.
natamaan.
Wait, yung ano ko.
Afraid.
Nag-headphones ko, nagloloko.
Last player standing.
Putang ina. Nagloloko kasi headset ko, takte. Hindi ko marinig isang side. Doon na mamaya ko na lang i-set. Okay, okay.
Trust each other. That's all.
5 o'clock na.
Ay, tapos siguro to.
Mhm.
Need a drop.
You have to prepare na, no?
Yes, sir.
Vicky.
Hello, Tara. Other stream. Welcome to the stream.
Let's play slow. Clear to engage. Weapons hot.
You want to play? Let's play.
Yes, so nasabi naman na 5 PM na.
Shutting them down.
Careful dyan, ma. Ano? What?
Na-snipe. Nasa mid yung ano eh, chamber.
They're in pieces. No chance.
Flashing!
Run, run, run.
Ah, putang ina mo, natamaan pa ako dun. Hello rin rin, Water Stream. Oksong. Importante, na-depend ko. Nice.
Gumantay.
Right now, one person stands up and the rest will follow.
I'm broke.
Box lang yan. What up, howdy? I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Ano, after ito mag-ayos na ako for work. Hello, Smarty Water Stream ako. Welcome.
Smoke's up.
Red deployed. One suppressed. Throwing charge.
Last player
Puta,
standing.
70.
No time. Nice.
Hello, Riani. Orishima, welcome.
They're nothing to me. Sound is
Sali ka lang sa DMs yung QR.
listen for noises. You'll hear those jerks before you see them.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Kali.
Mm-hmm.
Sa DMs ka send.
Yung QR?
Oo.
Sure. Sure.
Although, dito si Gcash. Kasi, ano, ewan ko ba't ayaw mag-generate ng QR nung ano, Gcash.
Wala lang kahit anong QR kasi go time naman gamit ko.
Sige. Also,
How much you need ulit?
100. Kahit 100 lang.
Okay.
Pamasahe ko lang.
Ano no?
Pamasahe. Sorry na, champion kami nung jet.
Deploy. One suppressed.
One enemy remaining.
Nice! Bumawi tayo! Let's go!
Also, ano ha, kita yung buong pangalan ko dito, so,
Sa
Ay-
Gcash?
sa, ano,
What do you need?
sa QR.
QR
So,
mo?
Need a drop. Thank you.
It's okay. We can trust each other.
Eh,
I don't know kung sa go time kita din yung pangalan ko.
I think yung first name lang pag magsasend.
Ay, yun lang.
Ay, ako nga, alam mo yung full name eh. Hello, Simon Udershima, welcome. Chamber ulit dito.
Spike down B.
Flash.
Plant duck. And I believe that in my life I will see yes. Ay, puta! Ano? From ours, ano? From main.
One enemy remaining.
Magsisave na yun?
Ay, gagi ka.
Di ko sinabing doon kayo, di ko sinabing,
Okay lang, wala silang tayo. Yawa!
ang sabi ko, saving na yan, hindi ko sinabi mag-save kayo.
Ba't kasi kami doon dumaan?
Nag-whiff ako, it's okay. Hello Simon, panalo pa rin niya, yun importante. Ay,
Need a drop.
ano, maghihingi ka ng skin? Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Tawagin mo akong bro. Fuck you. O yan.
Suppressing. One suppressed.
Last player standing.
Ay, saan?
Ah, putang ina sa likod.
Nor. Sabi yan, lagi patas-patas na.
Delikado masyado.
Delicates.
Need a drop.
Wala akong pera.
Nagpapa-skin siya, no?
Need a drop.
Pa-request. Itong quackers, wala. Ang dami pera.
Wanna have fun, girls.
Magalis na lang.
Wanna have...
درجة السلام.
Badamot, badamot. Ali would not want to stream. Welcome.
Spike down mid.
I have the spike. Nice one.
Shit.
Spike retrieved.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Ah! Puta!
Standing.
Ooh!
Wow.
Nice! Ah! NTNT.
NTNT.
Just wanna have fun.
I need a drop.
Wanna have fun, girl. Wanna have... What if pag-A naman tayo? Ba't kasi palagi B? Or slow push? Dito ako nagwa-wall sa sa corner na to.
You want to play? Let's play.
I've got your trail.
Flashbang. There.
Aray ko, yawa.
One enemy remaining.
130 sa kill.
Flash.
Ay, puta! No time?
Time.
No time, no time. Nice.
Nice. Sudden death to. Shit.
Sudden death.
Everyone's motor functions okay? I know humans get tired. Need a drink.
Oops. Ano, saan tayo? A or B?
Mid? Charot.
A ulit? Doon tayo nanalo eh.
Go.
A, tara. Ay, napagod sa Valorant.
There.
Careful ah. Nice.
Enemy spotted A. Cutting them.
Ay, puta! Nag-bounce!
Ay, shit.
Na-timing na ako sa pag-reload, hayop! Nice!
Nice! Let's go!
Yes!
Let's go, Isamu! Let's go!
They're done.
What, Isamu? Let's go!
Nice one, Samu. Nice one na.
Nice one, Isamu.
Do-double pick ka sana eh. Pero wala eh. Nice, GG.
Nice, GG.
Nag-MVP ba ako dun? How? Kaya... Paano? Kahit ako
Thank you so much for the GGs. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ginamit ako na utak.
Thank you. Let's go.
Nice one, guys.
Nice one. Ay, yeah. It's so much fun, pero kakapagod din.
At
One
nakaka-stress.
thousand pa na lang. We'll take it, we'll take it.
True, wait lang. Asan yung shot ko? She is scariest. Nalaman ko yung sky sa itlog. Kaya pala, ano patay ka agad eh.
Masakit pa.
Tapos ko, nagka-green na ulit yung yung match history ko.
Na-add ka na ba siya, no? Isa mo pa add.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
1 year red days yan.
Hello.
GG Isam.
GG's,
Thank
guys.
you.
Susunod ulit. Actually,
Susunod ulit.
ewan ko na. Basta pag nasa mood na ulit ako mag-Valo.
Sige, sige.
Ano?
Thank you
Thank
for
you,
playing with me,
guys.
GG.
Thank you.
GG.
GG's then. Bye-bye sa chat ni Kali.
Bye-bye din sa chat ni Zed.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Out na ako sa stream. Sa VC. So, na-send ka na ha? Yung,
I'll send it later.
Okay,
I mean right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, I'll be going na. Mag-ayos na ako for work. It's already 5:14. So, yeah. Tapos kakain pa ako. I mean, siguro kahit mga 6:15 ako makalis, okay na din yun. So, yeah. Thank you, guys, to everyone who supported me today. Sasabi ko sana today. I hope all of you have a thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, and everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. Nice stream, man. Nice game din, nice game. Good luck sa work. Thank you. Sana hindi masyado irate mga customers ko ngayon. So, yeah. I hope all of you have a great dinner and a great evening later. Okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Goodbye. Bye-bye, everyone.